In today's video, I'm going to be playing Animal Company with my friends. Also, we are going to be going mining.
Hey yo, yeah. Oh.
Okay. Where did he go? Oh, here he is. Okay, fine. Let's go back up. Let's go to the second floor. Okay. This is the right area. Alright, let's get some of this purple stuff. Oh, yeah, I got some shards. Let's go. Or purple diamond things, whatever you call them. I don't know what you call them. Some more. Okay. Oh, there's loads of gold here. Oh, it's not loads. I thought it was loads.
Oh, no wonder.
There you go. And these ones are hard to get. Okay. Oh, there's some gold there. I gotta pick that up. Oh god, it's so hard to pick up these things. Oh, it's so good.
Oh, there's two big pieces there.
Where?
There's two little ones.
Oh,
On there.
nice. Well, that one there's massive.
Steady spiders coming.
Oh no. Oh, there's two little ones there.
I got a crate.
Oh crap! Spider! Oh no!
What's this? This is a zipline gun.
Oh nice. I hit. Oh, spiders right there. Oh, I don't like that.
Wait, I'll go. Oh shit. I don't know. Ah!
Yeah, I think he's cooked, guys.
Please help me.
Oh,
Help me, dude.
I'll come in.
Bro, you could be dead. No.
I didn't see him. Oh, some more gold.
I'm gonna make a zipline today.
Okay.
God.
What? Oh yeah, you can only use it once.
Your book. It's a good one though.
Hold on, let me just mine this gold. Oh. Okay. Right, that's it. Where is it?
No.
Okay, Fabian, I think we should mine a little bit more, then we'll go back to sell. Let's just try get some purple diamonds. Well, I don't know what they're called. Right, nice. Oh, yes, I got one. sorry.
I can't get any.
Oh, there's some more here. Oh. Alright, what's in here?
I can't get any.
Oh wait, that's, I think this is the area to that one of the new maps. Oh no, I think this is where the anglerfish is. Oh, big bees.
Yeah, I got one. I can buy the flag gun.
Huh?
I can buy the flag gun.
Nice. Right, Fabian, let's go back because my backpack's full now. Okay, Fabian, let's go back. Where is he? Oh, I'm sure he's gone out. Oh crap. Wow. Alright, let me go back up.
How did my gold fell, man?
Oh. Did it? Oh. That sucks. Oh, and Fabian, you've got your bag open, that's why. There you go. Wait, Fabian, we need to use this to get to blow up some. Actually, no, because we already have enough. So yeah. So let's just go start. See how much money I get. What we get. Okay, hopefully I don't fall this time. Oh my god, I can't see a bloody thing. Oh, come on, I keep falling. I suck at this, man.
I'm out the cave now.
Alright. Okay, yep, let's not go there. He's chasing me, guys. This is not good. Oh, God. Okay, we have made it out. Right, which way is it? Left door. Right, yeah, right. Here, guys, I'm gonna cut the video out so then, we can go straight to this. We are at the selling part now. Let's see how much we get. Oh, got a bit of firework there. You know, we can keep the firework there, it's alright. Okay. Okay. See how much we get, guys. Yo! We got 933!
Yo!
Alright.
Let's see how much I have now. 4,425. Yo, we need to take some rest, bro. We need to take some rest. Let's go take some rest.
Yeah. Let's take some rest, actually. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. And, make sure to, like and subscribe. And, yeah. That's pretty much it.